Hello and welcome to this video about space travel. In this video, we will explore the history, present, and future of space exploration, and learn about some of the amazing feats and challenges that humans have faced and continue to face as we venture into the vast expanse of space. History of space travel. Space travel has been a dream of humanity for centuries. In the early 20th century, science fiction writers and futurists began to speculate about the possibility of traveling to other planets and even beyond our own solar system. The first major milestone in the history of space travel was the launch of the Soviet Union's Sputnik satellite in 1957, which marked the beginning of the space race between the Soviet Union and the United States. In 1961, the United States achieved its own major milestone with the successful launch of astronaut Alan Shepard into space. And in 1969, NASA's Apollo 11 mission made history with the first manned landing on the Moon. Present state of space travel. Today, space travel is a much more commonplace and routine activity than it was in the early days of the space race. NASA and other space agencies around the world continue to conduct regular missions to the International Space Station, a collaborative research facility orbiting Earth. In addition to NASA, private companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin have also begun to enter the field of space travel, with the goal of providing more affordable and reliable access to space for both scientific and commercial purposes. Challenges and dangers of space travel. Despite the many successes of space travel, it is not without its challenges and dangers. The environment of space is harsh and unforgiving, and astronauts must contend with a variety of physical and psychological stresses that are not present on Earth. One of the biggest challenges of space travel is the risk of radiation exposure, as astronauts must travel through the Van Allen radiation belts and other areas of high radiation in order to reach certain destinations. Another challenge is the psychological toll of being in space for extended periods of time, as astronauts must deal with isolation, confinement, and the loss of familiar sensory cues. Future of space travel. Looking to the future, there are many exciting possibilities for space travel. One of the most ambitious goals is the establishment of a permanent human presence on other planets, such as Mars. NASA and other space agencies are actively working on developing the technology and infrastructure needed for a manned mission to Mars, and private companies such as SpaceX have also expressed interest in establishing a colony on the Red Planet. Other potential destinations for space travel include the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, which are believed to contain water and other resources that could potentially support life. Conclusion. In conclusion, space travel is a fascinating and dynamic field that has come a long way since the early days of the space race. While there are still many challenges and dangers to overcome, the future of space exploration is bright, and we can look forward to many more exciting discoveries and achievements in the years to come. Thank you for watching this video about space travel. I hope you enjoyed learning about the history, present, and future of this incredible field, and that you are as excited about the possibilities of space exploration as I am.